Guys, this is another KDF channel video sponsored by the thieves that stole my catalytic converter 2 weeks ago. When I turned on my car, it was making a horrible noise like my Prius was a race car or it was straight pipe. It's a horrible feeling when somebody steals something from you, but it is what it is. We gotta make it work. So let me show you how it looks when somebody steals your catalytic converter. I'm underneath the car. Obviously my car is yacked, very secure to show you. So you have the pipe coming from behind, right? We follow this one and then boom, they caught it right there. Thank you guys. So then you go up there, and I don't know how they did it. I thought they cut on top of there, but I see that they use a saw and they also use a drill to remove the 14mm bolts up there to make the job easier for them, and they can earn $1,500 is what the young yards and the metal the people that buys the metal, they pay $1,500 for the catalytic converter. So they also are supporting this cause of these guys stealing these things every day. They also ripped apart the O2 sensor that goes in that hole over there. I gotta check inside the car to see if they broke the harness inside my car, but I already bought the replacement on eBay. I spent $100, I think $110 to fix it. So this is a, I would say, cheap solution for you guys who wants to keep driving your Prius without that noise. And basically this diameter, it's bigger than the pipe inside the car. So what I'll do is I'll show you inside. If you want to fix it the right way, you have to remove those 14mm bolts right there. You have to remove that metal plate right there. So you can take outside this guy. So once you take it outside, then you have to measure the diameter of that pipe right there, compare it with the one you got on eBay, because what I'll do is I'll weld it. So the kit comes with this bracket. This bracket is crap. I didn't tighten it that much, and look at this. It's already bad. It's no good. And I installed everything using this bracket, and my car was making almost the same noise. So I decided to weld it to make it right. I wanted to use this just to show you that you can do it with no tools, but unfortunately you have to weld this part with the other side of the exhaust. So to make a clean job, what I'll do is I'll put everything back together, just measure it, and just weld 2 points of this to have the right size. Then I'll take everything apart, weld it outside, and then go back in. I'll try to plug this, raise the coats, and turn on the car and wait for the best. No more noise, because I hate my car how it is right now. We have to adjust the diameter of the replacement catalytic converter, because this diameter, it's bigger than the one you have on your Prius. The original pipe is different. So what I did is I made a small cut here, so you can see there, and what I'm doing is I'm hammering the pipe until I get the desired diameter, so then it's gonna be easier to weld it into the rest of the exhaust of the Prius. So you take a hammer and then you go little by little like this. This is why I made the small cut, because the excess of the metal is gonna overlap into the another one. If you don't make that cut, then the metal is not going anywhere and it's only gonna get deformed. So I'm gonna check this on my Prius to see if it's ready, and then let's weld it. Don't forget, every time you're working on your car, to remove the negative leaf of the battery. Never forget that, because if you're doing any welding on your car, you can have a shortcut, electrical shortcut, and then things are gonna get worse than they were at the beginning. So this is how it looks when everything is put together. Obviously this is just for measurement purposes. I just put one bolt on the other side right there, but it looks pretty accurate. Everything fits great. I have the other side, the bolts right there, just to be there. They're not tight. But what I'll do now is I'll bring my welder and I make one point right there, another on the other side, just to hold it so I can take it outside again and weld it the right way so it's ready to go back in. As you can see here, I already installed the O2 sensor that goes right here, and then later I'll remove the carpet to see if I still have the plug inside the car. So let's see how it goes. So those are the little spots I told you I was gonna do just to hold it. Then I'll remove everything back. I'll weld it outside so I can go all around and put it back together, and let's see how it goes. So the car is back on. Everything is installed already. Let me go underneath and show you. There you go. You can see here, I'm not the best welder in the world, but it works. So it's welded, bolts are over there, the plug is ready inside. Let me show you inside, because the location for the plug is right here. So you have to remove this plastic piece, this one from here, and then you have the plug right there. I already plugged it, and fortunately they didn't break it. For some reason it didn't break, because I'm pretty sure they pulled it with a lot of force to take everything. So this is everything for today, guys. The engine light is off, everything is working perfect, and for $100 and something you can fix your catalytic converter. Obviously it's not perfect, it's not original, but at least it can make your car going on for more and more. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Thank you for helping me hitting the 1,000 subscribers. I want to get much more. I want to keep doing these videos, and see you in the next one.